Come on, son. I think I've got most of my birds home now. I've got about 26 an hour off, 27. Thank God, honestly, man. It's gone off my head, man. Obviously, I'm not going to burn down any trees, you know, but obviously, I mean, I was just so angry when I was shouting and bawling about the hawks, man. I mean, it's the second one my birds have had in a matter of days. Come on in, come on. This is my old bird team. This is it. Not all my hens have started to lay their second eggs here. Oh, it'll be their sturgeons, but anyway. So that's it. I've ordered a set of young bird perches, 24. Because I'm going to take all the hens out of here shortly, separate all the sexes, and get them trained up. Our racing starts on the 13th of April, so come on then. Come on then. Hey, come on then. Come on then. Come on then. There we go, eh? There we go, eh? That's a rare team, eh? Hey, come on then. Come on then. Ah, see. I'll just leave the bowl open for them, see like that, and they just come and go as they please, eh? I mean, the sun's gone down now, and there you go, it's a lovely night. See, that's a lovely night. Yeah, it's a lovely night here. Hey, come on in. Just keep my eye open for some anyway. Youngins that have been strutting about, so 22 or 3. I'm not sure if that hawk took a blue away with it, honest to God, I've done my house. There we go, so here we go. There we go. Here we go, guys. Into the pigeon loft. Anyway, I'll catch you all on the next video, guys. Is it okay? Cheery, cheery.